Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong.
We're in Jiangmen. It's a middle school right there, but we kind of have this really interesting street. This is in Qimingli, but I saw these kind of interesting cafes, restaurants, stuff like that. And then over there is the historic area. So we'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where the street is at in Qimingli. Stay tuned. Jiangmen, China, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're not too far from Guangzhou, we're not too far from Macau, Zhuhai, not too far from Hong Kong, Shenzhen, kind of right in this Greater Bay Area. And anyways, this is kind of a Bohemian district that we're going to show you today. So I'm just going to call it that way because it feels like there's a lot of creativity, there's a lot of boutiques, there's a lot of kind of clever restaurants, and I don't know, you just got to see it yourself. So so come along with me. Let's check out a little slice of Jiangmen, China, as if you're there yourself. I'll say, so Jiangmen, it's kind of cool. Let me just kind of take a look at this cafe restaurant, gourmet time. Some seats as well. Yeah, you come in here and it looks like there's different restaurants, cafes. Kind of see what some of these are. 7 ice room. So yeah, there's some nice density in here. Let me see. Rainbow, Rio Mate, Honey House. So I think those are places to get lemon iced tea. Nice little area. It's like kind of a young environment. Wu Yi University, I don't know if that's the pronunciation, W-U-I, is not too far away. I just walked there from here. It took about 10 or 15 minute walk, but it's not too far from here though. So I wonder if this is a place where students come. Urban cafe. Might be. Kind of looks like it. Looks like a lot of tea shops, coffee. There's green coffee over there. And then like boutique dresses and stuff over there too. I feel like when I see a new place, I'm kind of all over the map for like turning the camera around. Okay, let me just kind of see. So there's definitely lots of stuff there. I saw like kind of an alley in that way. I was kind of curious about that. Maybe we can go. I think this is let's just kind of take a look. Like here's tacos, huh? But there are elevators. Definitely some stuff in here to explore. But yeah, here's one that's called tacos. Huh. So love taco. Huh. It's so interesting. Huh. Taco place. So I was kind of curious to go down one of these alleys because when I was looking down that other street, it looked like there was stuff down here too. So yeah, it looks like this is a whole little area that's definitely worth exploring and checking out in Jiangmen. So yeah, I saw some art right over there. Let's see what this is. Looks like a place where students might hang out. Oh, clothing shop. Shake Shake car shop. That looks cool. So it looks like there's a lot of creativity throughout here. I'll definitely have to explore more. There's a lot to see. I don't know. Maybe it's a really small area. I don't know yet. My first time to come to this area, but I definitely feel like I need to come back to Jiangmen again and explore. Huh? It's like a taco shop too. So. I feel like whatever I see today, I'll have to come back again and explore. Yeah, there's more stuff down in these little alleys too, so it feels like a place, apartments too. They got all these balconies. Like it could be a great place for students, you know. The university's not too far away. We're not too far from these historical blocks, this kind of tourist area. There's a public bathroom right there too, kind of indicates that a lot of people in the public come down here. This area is really cool. There's more down here too. Clothing shop on the corner. There's clothing shops kind of everywhere. More here too. So let me kind of give you an idea where we are. You kind of explore all the different directions, to be honest. It feels like it's kind of unlimited with interesting things around here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna have to come to an ending, but this is basically like this Qimingli. There's like stuff in all these alleys. It's like such a cool little area. There's stuff down there too. Let's see. So there's kind of stuff in every direction. Kind of have to explore. There's like a boutique. There's also a place called Artist here too. And there's some, hello. Let's see, street stack. Kind of want to check out this thing that says Artist. Wow, there's like people everywhere. It's like such a cool neighborhood. I'll have to explore more. Hello. Okay. So yeah, this is definitely amazing little area. Like I love it because it has all these little residential places, but it's kind of like an artist community. And then this Qimingli is near these historical blocks, and that whole area is pretty amazing as well. I think I'm gonna have to come back and explore more. That's all I can really say. It looks super cool. And like little places to sit, elevators. Yeah, Jiangmen is a cool spot. I didn't expect this. Didn't expect it at all. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to an ending here. And we're just gonna have to come by another day, check out all of this more. But yeah, it's filled with all these boutiques, kind of art shops. Like, it feels like the rents are kind of low, so it's able to do a lot of creativity. And I wonder how well known it is. I've never heard of it before. I think we're gonna just go up to the end of the street, and I'll have to come by again another time and check it all out. Shall I see? Oh, cats, pets. So let's go out to the main street, then we'll kind of make a sense. Here's a hotel here, Jinhua Hotel, Golden Bao Bao. Huh. Very, very interesting. So little slice of Jiangmen I didn't know about. Then now we're just kind of on these big, wide streets. And I will have to come back again and film some more, because didn't quite expect this at all. Yeah, there's all these kind of cool food area here too. Okay. So I guess we'll come to an inn and we'll just end it right there. Golden Bao Bao. Very cool.
Got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll.